Hello student, today we are solving a question without calculator. Very nice and tricky math Olympiad problem. 21 into power 63 divided by 63 into power 21 is equal to unknown. So we are finding this unknown value. Starting our solution, 21 into, as we know that 63 is equal to 42 plus 21. 21 into power 42 plus 21. This divided by 63 into 21. 63 into 21. 21 multiplied by 3 into 21. Now we use this formula into n power n plus n is equal to n into m cross a into n. Now we apply this formula and we get 21 into power 42 into 21 into power 21 divided by 21 into power 21 cross 3 into power 21. This cut by this remain 21 into power 42 divided by 3 into 21. As you know that 21 is 7 multiplied by 3 into 42, and this divided by 3 into 21. And now as we know that is 7 into 3, and we write 3 into 42 into 7 into 42 divided by 3 into 21. And next step is 3 into 21. 3 into 21 cross 3 into 21 cross 7 into 42, because of 3 into 42 also is equal to 3 into 21 into 3 into 21. We putting this, and now this divided by 3 into power 21, this cut by this remains 3 into power 21 into 7 into power 42 divide by, and this 3 into 21 into 7 into power 7 into 2 into power 21. Now 7 square is 49. 3 into power 21 into 49 into power 21, and that is 147. 3 into 49 is 147 into the power same basis add, and this 21. So finally this is 147 into power 21